Let's go to Fort Lauderdale, the Venice of America. Fort Lauderdale is known for its beautiful beaches and gorgeous canals, and people usually travel there to experience summer all year long, go on luxury yacht cruises, and enjoy the fresh vibe of South Florida. In this video, I will show you how to spend 48 amazing hours in Fort Lauderdale. Whether you are escaping the winter, enjoying the summer, or simply spending some time before going to Miami, let's get into it. We begin our adventure with a food and history tour, exploring Black history across Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale isn't just about beaches and boats and booze. It's a city rich with culture, history, and community spirit. Take a food and history tour with Key to Maya to dive into the depths of Fort Lauderdale, because when you travel, it's always good to learn about your history and culture. This is part of sustainability. I went to the YMCA Community Center, which is a cornerstone for the community, from youth programs that empower future leaders to initiatives that preserve the city's vibrant heritage. The YMCA here is where history meets hope for a brighter future. And then there's the African American Research Library and Cultural Center, a treasure trove of knowledge. Imagine exploring over 75,000 books and archives dedicated to African American history and culture, seeing artwork from artists from the motherland, and feeling like you are actually reconnecting with your ancestral roots, all in a building that inspires education and knowledge.
But you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Ooh, show me your soul, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul, can't you see it's way past time? How explicit do I have to be? I mean, I spell it out before you get it, baby. Show me your soul, and honey, I'll show you.
And when you are done soaking up history, it's time to savor the flavors, baby. And what better way to do that than two amazing Black-owned restaurants in Fort Lauderdale. First, Smitty's Wings is strong for the best wings in town. They were deadly, and the onion rings were ringing. And to satisfy the sweet tooth with handcrafted ice cream, we stopped at Fuse Cream, a Black-owned gem that's as creative as it is delicious. This is how you dive into the history and flavors of Fort Lauderdale. And if you're looking for other options of where to eat in Fort Lauderdale, you've got to try YOLO. For a quick lunch with gorgeous views of the Las Olas Boulevard, go to YOLO. The aesthetics are given, the food is top tier. This was actually where I had the best tacos I had in Fort Lauderdale, and the lunch menu was less than $30. A visit to Fort Lauderdale for the first time cannot be completed without a yacht cruise. Fort Lauderdale is known as the Venice of America because of its countless canals, and sailing through Fort Lauderdale's stunning waterways was an unforgettable experience. From breathtaking views of luxury homes to the serene blue waters, this yacht cruise is the perfect way to soak in the beauty of the city on your first, second, or last day. We booked ours with Go Yacht Buddy, a locally owned yacht company that operates these yacht cruises with sustainability in mind. Gabriel and his team were absolutely everything. Thank you for having us. The nights at the hotel are so pretty. In the evening, are you sure we can cross? Are you sure it's safe? But it's night now. For a late evening dinner, head over to El Camino on Las Ollas Boulevard. This restaurant came highly rated by a local in Fort Lauderdale, and when we got there, I understood why. On the weekend, it is packed and there might be a little wait before you get seated, but the food is absolutely worth it. And the ambiance, top tier. And if you want to be a little extra, you can drive to Miami for a good all-night party. Traveling to Florida can be expensive, but your hotel or accommodation doesn't have to be. I stayed at a very cute, affordable apartment in Fort Lauderdale that was giving Bali vibes without even having to go to Bali. And that wasn't even the best part. This is the best part. This apartment building is located at the heart of Las Ollas Boulevard, which is where everything happens in Lauderdale. The best restaurants, hotels, bars, and party spots are right there. So you are within walking distance of everything. For me, I love the eco-conscious design and the aesthetics. The vibe was giving serenity, it was calm, flowing, smelling good, and felt like the perfect home away from home. They use eco-friendly materials to design the rooms and the living space, and their smart lighting and energy-saving features make it more sustainable than the average hotel or Airbnb. If you're looking for a unique stay that blends sustainability and a luxury feel, book the Flow Apartments in Lauderdale.